Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Cash App won't let me screenshot. First, open the Cash App, tap the profile icon in the top right. Scroll down and tap Support. Tap Something Else. Now select Cash Card. Scroll to the bottom and tap Contact Support. Tap Not About a Transaction. At the bottom, tap Chat to connect with support. When you're in the chat, type something like, "Hi, I'm having trouble taking screenshots in the app. I've tried restarting my device and updating the app, but the issue continues. Can you help?" A representative should guide you from there. And that's it. That's how to fix Cash App won't let me screenshot. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.